Hello, Chef here, and I've got this beautiful orange. I want to show you how to make some orange peel tea. Place the orange in a bowl, pour over boiling hot water. All I'm doing here is cleaning the orange very, very good. A lot of people touch the citrus along the way. It's a good idea for you to clean it. Okay, super hot water, clean towel. Give a little rub down. Oh yeah, she likes that. Okay, a perfectly beautiful clean orange. Remove the water. Next, I'm going to be using a very sharp little paring knife here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just peel segments of the orange. I'm going to start with the bottom, just like this. I'll do it on camera here. Just like this. That's a beautiful piece right there. Awesome for a nice tea. Now, right there, that's enough for me. I'm going to eat the orange, but anyway, this is my orange peel for tea. How does it look? Comment please. There we go. Alright, so now this gets lined up on a nice small tray, put aside, and once I'm ready for it, I just take my favorite teacup. Some boiling water goes in, like this. Let it steep. Let it brew. Add one of these orange peels. Smells so good. Goes right in. Another thing I always put in my tea is some honey. Recommend you do the same, but it's completely up to you. So here I've got about a teaspoon of honey going in. Ooh, that's going to be good. Smells really good. Alright, I'm actually done brewing this tea. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Tea is very good for you, and there are more tea facts on the channel. So search tea in the little box there and you'll find out a bunch more of our recipes. A drink for your health.